What's up everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we're starting up with a little bit of snag. This water pump, power steering pump. Got the brackets for it, put them on. Everything's cool except for the fact that it kind of pushes the power steering pump a little too much this way, and it does not clear the steering box. So the pump has to be a little bit more that way and it'll clear it perfectly. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to, because I don't want to wait another week for some brackets, if I modify these guys to push it in a little bit, or see if I can fit the stock bottom bracket that holds off right here, stick it here, and then somehow make it work with this one, and because I know that one will pull it in that way. I don't know, I'll see. I'm gonna tinker around with it and see what I figure out. Alright, so after fiddling with it for a while, I got the two stock brackets, this one back on, and then I managed to use this one right here to hold that one there. It has some adjustment, not too bad. There are better options online that I did find, one that uses 3 points on the head, and then this one here, so then you need a bolt there, and that's got your adjustment. It'll be a lot nicer than this, so I'll probably buy that. It's not too expensive. But anyways, the main point of the video, this radiator needs a fan. The stock fan sucks. Well, it's because I never had that. I don't know where the stock shroud is. But anyways, if you're going at speed, it won't overheat. If you're like at a drive-thru or something, or at a stoplight, the temperature is going to slowly creep. So we're going to install two electric fans on here, which is right there. Got a shroud made. Basically, we're going to put that over here. With two fans. That's it, so let's get to it. Alright, so here is the final product. Two big fans. Not pretty, it's not wobbly or anything. Everything hooked up pretty nice using the stock mounting points up here. And then I use the two little clips that are for the regular shroud over there. They just slide, you know, the sheet just slides in there and pulls everything nice and tight. So that's pretty good. I gotta wire up the fans to a little temperature sensor or something over here so they can turn on and off whenever they need it. But I am currently fighting daylight, so I think I'm gonna call it in for today. I'm pretty happy with it. I still gotta give it a little, clean it up, give it a coat of paint and put it back on, final install, but very happy with the results. So that's gonna do it for this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but we'll keep doing something. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.